What's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Let's see how we can find the area of the region enclosed by the group of curves, and they have given the equations right here, right? First, let's go ahead and draw the graph for this one. So before I do that, I have to know the x-intercept for this function. So to find that one, I just have to equate this one to 0. So here we are going to have 0 is equal to x square minus 4x. So if I factor this one, this is going to be x minus 4, and from this one we know that this is going to cross x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So these are the two values that our function is going to cross, and we know this is parabola opening up because it's positive x square. And if it's going from 0 to 4, let's say this is 0, this is 4, the vertex is going to be 2, right? And if I plug the 2 value here, 2 square, that's going to be 4, minus 4 times 2, that's going to be 8. So 4 minus 8 is going to be minus 4. So the vertex is going to start at minus 4. So this is where the graph is going to start. So let's draw a rough graph. So the parabola is going to look like this, right? And this is our first function. Let's look at the second one, that is x plus 1. So let's see what's happened when x is equal to when y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So it means this is crossing minus 1 right here. Minus 1. So this is going through this, and this is positive, so it's going through this direction and crossing somewhere, right? And they have said that it's bounded by x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 is this line right here. X is equal to 4 is this region. So the area we are interested in is this region, right? So to find the area here, what we have to do, we just have to take the top function of this graph and the bottom function of this graph, and then subtract them and integrate, right? So let's write the equation first. So a is equal to integration a to b, and top function is this line right here, that is x equal to x plus 1. That is our g of x, right? So g of x minus the bottom function is this parabola, that is f of x dx. So this is going to be the equation we are going to use. So here we know the limits of integration, that's going from 2 to 4. So 2 to 4, g of x is x plus 1. So this is going to be x plus 1 right here, minus f of x is x square minus 4x, x square minus 4x dx, right? Let's simplify this one. So this is going from 2 to 4, x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x dx. So we can add this 4x and x, that's going to give us 5x. Let's arrange this one in decreasing power order, right? So here we are going to have 2 to 4 and minus x square plus 5x plus 1 dx. If you do the integration, this is going to give us minus x cubed divided by 3 plus 5x square divided by 2 plus x, and that's going from 2 to 4. So let's continue this one right here. Let's use a different color. So here we have, so first we are going to apply 4. So this is going to be negative 4 cubed divided by 3 plus 5 times 4 square divided by 2 plus 4 minus 2 cubed divided by 3 plus 5 times 2 square divided by 2 plus 2, right? So this is what we have. Let's simplify this one. So first of all, negative 4 cubed. We know that negative 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 16 times 4 is going to be 64. So this is going to be minus 64 divided by 3. Then here we have 4 square, that is 16. 16 times 5 is going to be 80. 80 divided by 2, that's going to be 40. Plus 4. And in the other side we have minus 2 cube, that is 8 divided by 3. Plus 5 times 2 square. We know that 2 square is 4. 4 times 5 is going to be 20. 20 divided by 2, that's going to be 10. And then plus 2, right? Let's simplify this one. So here we have minus 64 and 44. Minus 64 over 3 plus 44, right? In the other side we have minus 8 over 3 plus 12. So if we take, let's continue this one right here. If we take 3 common denominator, we have to multiply this 44 by 3. We know that 44 by 2 is 88, plus 4 is going to be 92, 92 plus 80 is going to give us 172, right? So 172 minus 64 is going to be the first value. And minus, we have this one. If I take 3 common denominator, this is going to give us 36 minus 8, right? So here we are going to have 172 minus 64. 172 minus 4 is 168. 168 minus 60 is going to give us 108. So here we are going to have, seems like there's a mistake right here. So 44 times 2 is 88. 88 plus 44. 88 plus 4 is going to be 92. 92 plus 40 is going to be 132. So this is supposed to be 132 right here. Okay, 132 minus 64. So if we subtract 32, we have 32 remaining. So if we subtract 32 from 100, that's going to give us 68, right? So we have 68 divided by 3. And in the other side, we have 36 minus 8, that's going to be 28 divided by 3. And if you calculate, that's going to give you 40 divided by 3, and that's going to be the area of this shaded region. And that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.